If you would like to build your very own money-making site without creating any content, paying for traffic, or doing any SEO, then pay attention. In this short video, I'll show you how you can build and profit from automated sites that get filled with fresh content and money-making affiliate products, pulling free traffic from search engines and turning that traffic into profits day after day. All you need is just a few minutes to set it up. Even if you're a complete beginner and never earned any money online, you are literally 3 steps away from generating unlimited free traffic, unlimited buyer leads, and unlimited profits from banner ads and affiliate commissions. Just think about that. With unlimited free traffic, buyer leads, and profits, anyone can finally stop worrying about their next paycheck and focus on the lifestyle they want and deserve. Sitezio is the most powerful software that I created to generate free buyer traffic and affiliate sales. If you can follow these 3 easy steps, you can become the owner of a successful, money-making site so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live your life to the fullest potential. Step 1. Purchase Sitezio. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please keep in mind that the price goes up every 60 minutes, so hurry up if you don't want to pay more later. Step 2. Install Sitezio on your WordPress site. Upload, configure some basic settings, and let the software know what topics you want to focus on and how often to add new content to your site. Step 3. Enter your affiliate ID to instantly turn your site into a profit-generating machine. You can even monetize your site with banners and multiple affiliate platforms. That's it. Your job is done. Your site will start getting new content automatically added, and the search engines will start discovering your new pages right away, sending you visitors day after day. So, how do these sites make money? The plugin allows you to automatically generate articles with affiliate products and your affiliate links inside. So every time someone comes to your site, clicks your affiliate links, and buys, you earn commission. And the best part is, all of the content creation is taking place behind the scenes without your direct involvement. You simply set up your site one time and you never have to touch it again. If you're just starting out and want to create a profitable site fast, then Sitezio is for you. And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every month. But it's not going to be priced this low for long. The price goes up every hour, and after this launch ends, it will be priced at $97. So hurry up to lock in your best deal before it's too late. And if you try Sitezio and need help with something, our dedicated support team will work with you through each step of the site creation process until you're comfortable with it and can build your sites fast. Or if you feel like the software is not for you, just send me a quick email within 30 days and I'll refund your entire purchase. No questions asked. The price will be going up without warning, so click the buy button below this video to get your download now.